Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 10 icon spacing on desktop. Guys, you can see icons are not adjusted properly. You can see. Guys, how to fix this problem. Guys, today in this my video I will teach you how to fix this problem. Guys, you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Let's start our video. First you need to right click on taskbar anyway, then go to the cursor view, then click on auto. You can see that note. That's it. It's guys very easy and simple method. 1 or 2 steps we can know how to fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Thank you.